While everyone argues about whether Tesla's Optimus is remotely controlled or not, another company just did something that changes the entire conversation. And it's not a demo. It's happening right now, December 22nd, 2025. CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer, quietly deployed humanoid robots on their production line in China. Not prototypes, production units doing critical quality control work. These robots handle battery pack testing, the kind of testing where mistakes mean defective batteries shipping to Tesla, BMW, Ford, and every major automaker buying CATL batteries. Real consequences, real production pressure. The performance numbers? That's what has everyone talking. CATL reports a 99% success rate. That's not controlled lab performance. That's actual factory floor results. And the daily workload? Triple what a human worker produces. No breaks, no shift changes, just continuous work. Here's the question that matters. If CATL's humanoid robots can work reliably in production right now, what does that mean for every other company still doing demos and making promises? And more importantly, which robots can you actually buy or deploy today for your business? Because there's a huge gap between what companies show in promotional videos and what's proven in real production environments. Some robots are working. Some are demoing. Some are just marketing. We just published the complete analysis at MyRobot.shop. Which industrial humanoid robots are actually deployed in factories right now? Which ones are available for purchase? Which ones are still years away from commercial release? Real deployment data. Verified performance numbers where available. Estimated pricing for different use cases. Not speculation, research. Filter by your industry. Manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, quality control. See which robots are proven versus which are promises. Because if you're planning automation investment, you need to know what's actually working today versus what might work tomorrow. CATL just proved humanoid robots can deliver in production. The question is, what else is out there that you don't know about? MyRobot.shop. Know before you invest.